If you guys want to see me more on this channel, then please give this video a like. That would help me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and I drive part-time for Uber. I am part of the gig economy. I am a freelance makeup artist and I model and I do some other things like create videos for different channels and different social media apps. And during this time, I have stopped driving to keep myself and my family safe. So I'm sure most of you have done the same thing. I obviously can't be going to people's homes to apply makeup, and I am not driving because I'm trying to keep myself safe. So a lot of us are in the same boat, and so Dylan and I have created this 3-part Q&A series involving unemployment and the stimulus check and questions and answers about all that. So once again, you're watching part 3, and before I get into this video, please hit the subscribe button. We would appreciate that so much, and that will keep you up to date for all the information that we have coming for you. Also, if you want to see me more on this channel, then please go ahead and hit the like button, and that would help me out a lot, and Dylan will have me on even more. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this part 3 of the question and answer series. So, question number 1 of this series. How do you know if you qualify for unemployment? The answer to this is, if you got laid off from your job, then you can go to careerstop.org and see if you can qualify. You can also go to your state unemployment benefit website. For California, it is www.edd.ca.gov, and that site will show you the qualifications you need. If you are in a different state other than California, then go ahead and go to your search engine, go to your state, and then unemployment benefits, and they should provide those answers to you. If that site for some reason is not set up, then careerstop.org can help you out. Question number 2, will Uber and Lyft deactivate drivers if you file for unemployment? The answer to that is no, they will not. It is your right to have unemployment, especially at this time. I know maybe Uber and Lyft drivers, since we are private contractors and we are part of the gig economy, we weren't eligible for these benefits before, but under this new act of everything that's happening right now, this is kind of like relief for us. So thank God we do have this relief coming to us. So before, maybe we wouldn't be, under any other circumstance, maybe we wouldn't be eligible, but right now at this time we are eligible. Okay, and question number 3, what about that $1,200 stimulus check? You know, that has been thrown around here and there on the news. Stimulus check, $1,200, what is that about? Basically, that's for all Americans, and that is for the people who have filed their 2018 or 2019 taxes. So if you have not filed those taxes for either year, unfortunately you are not eligible for that as of now. But if you do file, then you will be eligible for that check. So this should be going directly to your bank account if you have direct deposit set up. If not, go ahead and get your 2018, 2019 taxes filed, but I know you only need one of those years done. I personally have not done 2019 yet, but I have done 2018, so there's not much more that I can do to be receiving that stimulus check other than file my 2019 taxes. So just be sure you have that done, and then you should be good to go. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a like. If you guys have any more questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you guys want to see me more on this channel, then please give this video a like. That would help me out so much. And don't forget to subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. Have a good day, you guys.